Hello developers, tired of repetitive tasks slowing you down? Do you want to supercharge your workflow? Well, you are in luck. Today we are diving into some VS Code extensions that will change the way you code forever. So let's get started. I am Mesum Abbas and I'm a web developer at Binary. First up, we have Prettier. Prettier auto formats your code on safe, ensuring consistency across your project, whether you are writing JavaScript, Python, or CSS. Maintaining a professional and clean code every time you check. Next, we have GitLens. GitLens transforms your VS Code into Git powerhouse. See who wrote every line of code, track changes, and compare branches, all without leaving your editor. This extension is best for collaborative projects. If you are working with CSV files, Rainbow CSV extension adds colors to columns, making data analysis a breeze. So, no more squinting at rows of black text. Ever lost track of brackets in nested code? Well, bracket pair colorizer colors each pair uniquely, so you will never get lost in curly braces again. Finally, we have material icon theme. It gives your project files visual clarity with icons for every file type. So your workspace will look organized and professional. These extensions are not just tools, they are productivity superpowers. Install them today and see your workflow transform. Drop a comment with your favorite extension and don't forget to visit our page for more development tips. Thank you.